Today we will learn about the lives of wild animals, okay? Learn about animals with Bonnie Home Channel. Can you guess what animals these are? What is this animal? This is the shadow of which animal? Yes, that's right, this is the elephant. The elephant is the largest land animal, known for its impressive size and distinctive trunk. Elephants are herbivores, feeding primarily on grasses, leaves, fruits, and bark. What is this animal? This is the shadow of which animal? Yes, that's right, this is the lion. Let's learn about lions. Lions are majestic big cats known for their strength, pride structure, and distinctive manes. They are native to Africa and parts of Asia and are apex predators in their ecosystems. What is this animal? This is the shadow of which animal? That's right, this is the wolf. You guys are so good. Wolves have a dense, double-layered coat. The undercoat is soft and insulating, while the outer coat is longer and water-resistant. Coat colors can range from gray, black, and white to red and brown. What is this animal? This is the shadow of which animal? Exactly, it's a deer. Please keep improving. Deer are a group of even-toed ungulate mammals. They are known for their graceful appearance, agility, impressive antlers in males of most species. Deer are found in various habitats around the world. What is this animal? This is the shadow of which animal? Exactly, that's a horse, so good. Let's learn about horses. Horses are large, strong animals that have been domesticated for thousands of years. They are used for various purposes, including transportation, work, and recreation. Horses come in a variety of colors, including black, white, gray, bay, chestnut, and more. Their coat can also have patterns such as spots or patches. Horses have single-toed hooves. What is this animal? This is the shadow of which animal? Great, that's a bear. Let's learn about bears. Bears are large mammals. They are found in various habitats across the northern hemisphere and parts of the southern hemisphere. Bears are known for their strength, large size, and distinctive fur. Understanding and appreciating wildlife is crucial for fostering a sense of respect and responsibility towards our natural world. Please follow the channel to learn more animals. Bye-bye.